I'm going to demonstrate how to do an ebonized finish on oak. This is a custom coffee table I made in white oak. It's got a hand-hewn texture. This finish blackens the wood without obscuring the grain like a black paint would. This finish is pretty easy and cheap. I've got a white oak sample here, and yesterday I put some steel wool in a quart of vinegar. Let me just get that steel wool out of there. Now this will paint on, it'll go clear. The steel has leached into the vinegar, and when I paint this on, it'll go on clear, but then the iron, the steel and the vinegar is going to react with the tannins in the oak, and it'll turn black. As a kid, I had a chemistry set, and I remember making black ink with ferrous sulfate and tannic acid. This is a very old recipe for black ink, going all the way back to Pliny the Elder in 1st century Rome. You can see here it's starting to darken up already. It's depends on the species how much tannin you have in there. Oak, it works pretty well. I know it works for cypress, but you kind of have to just test the species that you're working on. You can cheat it if you like by making a strong brew of tea and brushing a strong tea onto the wood, and then letting it dry and getting the tannins in the wood that way, and then using the steel wool and vinegar, and you can kind of force it on the wood that doesn't naturally have tannins in it. You can see the colors actually changing in real time here. Just the one coat on there, and it'll go pretty black. As this dries, it'll continue reacting until it's completely dry. If you want to skip ahead, go ahead, but just thought I'd show you in real time as it changes. Okay, our vinegar with steel wool soaked in it has dried, and now just ebony Briwax. Probably do 2 coats to get a sheen built up. This oak is really porous.